Kingray Industrial Co. Ltd. is a company focused on developing, designing, manufacturing, and marketing outdoor products in a wide range of camping beach chairs, portable stadium seats, camp beds, folding tables, and sleeping bags. We are based in Xiamen and have a team of merchandisers, engineers, quality control experts, and designers. We offer complete turnkey manufacturing and design solutions for some of the world promotional product companies, brands manufacturers, and retailers, such as Coca-Cola, Disney, Costco, Amazon, etc. Our manufacturing facilities are certified by SEDEX, FCCA, BSCI, and ISO 9001. In addition, our products can meet EN 581, EN 13537, REACH, California Proposition 65, CPSIA, California Technical Bulletin 117 requirements. We have a complete manufacturing track and trace system to maintain visibility and item tracking as products move throughout our customers. With a traceability system, we have a way to track and trace goods, from the supplier that sent the raw material through delivery to the customer and all the production processing and stages in between. We have a strong ability to develop creative outdoor products and operate them into the market. Some unique articles have been sold well on some online retail channels. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Our core value is to make creative products and provide customers more profit.